Welcome, here I've got TCL 10 SE and I'm gonna show you how to activate image stabilization while recording a video at this device. So at first we have to tap on the camera button here to open it, and for now we are in the standard photo mode. Let's change it by using this settings bar and just simply going to the right to the video. So here we are. From here let's go to the left corner to this button. When we pick this, we can open the advanced camera settings, and in the video settings at the second position we have the video stabilization option. So by using this button we can easily turn it off and turn it on like that as we need. So this is how it works here. Thanks for watching, subscribe my channel and leave the thumbs up.